Bro, I don't know why everybody is hyping this fucking Vanilla Dunes. Khadlaj Island Vanilla Dunes. I don't get why motherfuckers is hyping it. I'm in Burlington and I don't know, I guess the lady was intrigued when she saw my handsome face and gorgeous hazel eyes, but she wanted to open the box and smell it. I said she could. She said she couldn't because of policy or whatever, but I was like, fuck it. I'll do it because, you want to smell it, and I kind of want to smell it too, but I kind of wanted to leave an impression on it too, if you know what I mean. But that's neither here nor there. I sprayed it in the box, and initially when I sprayed it in the box, it didn't smell good. Like, all I smelled was the box. Now, like 2 days later, it smelled kind of decent. I'm still not really getting Altair though. Everybody keeps saying it smells like Altair. It's like a vanilla now. Like, it kind of smells sort of kind of close to Altair. But I'm gonna spray it on my wrist, on my funky wrist too. I just got finished coming from playing ball and shit. Yeah, I don't get it, bro. It smell like candy. I don't remember Altair smelling like candy. It was like a buttery, creamy kind of smell. It wasn't smelling like fucking candy. Like, this shit smelled like some kind of candy. On the day when I got it, I sprayed it on my wrist, went around, did some runs, and I never smelled vanilla. It smelled like candy the whole fucking time. And I was just waiting for it to transition and change, and it never changed. Candy, straight candy. Maybe like a little bit of vanilla, but it's nothing close to what Altair smells like. Nothing like what Altair smells like, bro. And you know what I mean? Fat Boy, he said it smelled like Altair, kind of, sort of. This guy right here, he didn't really say it smelled like Altair. He said it smelled like Kinder chocolate. But I don't know, everybody's saying that it smells like Altair. I don't get Altair, bro. But let's see. Like Fat Boy, he said it smelled like Altair.
The corner from fall, and if you're looking for one of the best fall, you know what I'm saying, and what you find out, it's a little bit airier, but it's consistent. It's like the lighter version.
Lighter?
One of the things I love is as you start to work through the fragrance after about the first 15 minutes.
Okay, lighter.
There's a latte thing going on, and then there's like this chocolate thing going on.
I don't get latte. I don't get that chocolate.
From the praline.
I don't even drink latte, so I wouldn't even
nuttier,
know.
or it can come off chocolatier. You don't really get the nuttiness in this. You get more of the chocolate.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I knew I was smelling like a nut in Altair.
Different, and it's kind of.
I don't get that.
I don't know if you get that, but to my nose,
creamy.
There's the slightest hint of chocolate, which I actually
I don't get no
appreciate, and I do like. But for the most part, it's pretty much the same.
It's good though, but to me, Altair's
there is not a lot different as it relates to the smells.
Bang,
you
bro,
can
that
point
shit
out
good as a motherfucker.
Certain things, like I think Liquid Brewing, if I'm not mistaken, has that element in it. So you have the
couple days, and I had this for like
the resinous nature that may come to a little bit more. And if I'm not mistaken, I believe
better than the first spray.
Ambroxan,
for sure.
Or there's amber. One of these is amber. One of these is ambroxan. If I'm not mistaken, I think this one. I'll look at the notes in a second. I think this one is amber. I think Vanilla Dunes is amber.
It's smelling better.
Liquid Brune is ambroxan. So the punch is going to be different with that one.
So it's already
also going to help with the projection. You know what I'm saying? Because that's pretty much what you get. What I noticed is that I wore the last time I wore these, I was doing some testing. I wore them together, and then I took a shower. This is after probably wearing it for about 2 to 3 hours. The Vanilla Dune, very faint after the shower. You could barely smell it. This was at the shower. This was at the moisturizing, and I could barely smell it. The Liquid Brune, I could still smell it. So you guys already know that's a scrubber on skin. So on clothes, it's going to last forever. But the same thing with the Island Vanilla Dunes, it's still going to last long on clothes, and you'll notice that there. Now, one of the things I noticed is that it is not as loud. It does not come close in projection compared to Liquid Brune. So again,
All-Tail was a beast anyway.
But if you're looking for something that's more dialed,
I guess he on point with it. Yeah, because it is dialed back. But Curly, man, she got, bro. She is the captain of all cappers, bro.
I love it. I really love it. I just love it when I get a package of this brand because I know
I didn't love it first, bro.
We got some
I'm gonna be honest.
What is this? Oh,
today it smelled better.
Parfums de Marly Alta here. Yes, that's what it is. Oh, it's a nice version. It's a more candied, airy version
candy.
of it. I like it a lot.
Airy, but it smells like smell more candy, bro.
Yeah, I love it. I really love it. First impressions, 9 out of 10. This is just a fragrance that you need to have. Yeah.
I don't know if you need to have it, bro.
This is the version that you can wear all year round without choking anyone out. Also, you could wear this like in the summer because it has something bright.
I mean, right now, it's smelling better than it did the first time.
If you ask me, what do you like more, Alta here or this version, then I would say this version. So the notes in here is cinnamon, vanilla, bergamot, and cardamom. Hard notes, orange blossom, gaiac wood, and bourbon. So a little bit boozy as well. And in the base you get pretty amber and musk. All year round, sexy fragrance.
Like this
super good. I don't know what kind of a number I already gave it, but 9.5.
Fond of the sweet smell. Like, I wouldn't say it was a 9 out of 5.
Yeah, I love it. I really love it.
I don't think you need it, bro. Nah, get Liquid Brune. But if you're scared to fucking smell good, I say get this, because this one is not gonna like announce you in a room before you get in the room. This ain't my speed for real, man. It's cool, but nah, I ain't fucking with it.